is 36 divided by 4, half inch margin, 9 inch, 1/4 inch loose, half inch margin. Here I make hip 39 divided by 4, 9 and 3/4, half inch margin, 1/4 inch loose, half inch margin. Back side seam line. Here I make 4 inch side slit, half inch slit width. Here I make back armor line. Jawahar Coat Nehru Jacket cut, back part drawing finish, back part cutting. Two side back part cutting finish. Jawahar Coat back part cutting finish. Now here I cut front part based on back. Here I make a line for center front line. Back part lay on front part. Front chest line, front waist line, hip line. Front neck with 3/4 inch, shoulder 17 inch, half inch seam margin, 1/3/4 front shoulder slope. Here I make 3.5 inch front neck deep. Front shoulder line. Front chest position. Front chest 15 inch, half 7.5 inch, half inch seam margin. Chest 38 divided by 4, 9.5 inch, 1/4 inch seam, 1/4 inch loose, and half inch seam margin. Waist 36 divided by 4, 9 inch, 1 inch, 1/4 inch loose, half inch seam margin, and half inch dart allowance. Hip 39 divided by 4, 9 and 3/4, 1/4 inch loose, half inch seam margin, and half inch front armor line. One quarter inch in mark for pocket, chest pocket position. 4-inch pocket height, 4-inch pocket opening, 1/4 inch pocket height, chest pocket height. 8.5 inch pocket position from hip. Five-inch pocket opening, half-inch dart margin. Half-inch button overlap. First button, second button, third button, fourth button, fifth button, sixth button, seventh button. Jawahar Coat Nehru Jacket front part drawing finish. Now I here start cutting front part for Jawahar Coat. Jawahar Coat front part, two front side. Back part. Thanks for watching. Like and share, comment on my video.